Hello everyone and welcome to day 19 of our ACT Math Prep Review. Let's take a look at today's problem. It says solve 32 to the x plus 3 equals 16 to the x minus 8. On canceling out problems, or answers I think if I were to cancel one out, I would cancel out the 2 because the other 3 are negative. So if you have absolutely no idea how to solve this problem, I would start by canceling that out. Could that still be the answer? Sure, it could. But if I have absolutely no idea what the answer is, I'm going to look and see what I can possibly get rid of. All right, let's take a look here. I've got 32 and 16. I need to make those bases the same. And how am I going to do that? Well, I know that 2 to the 5th is 32. And I know that 2 to the 4th is 16. If I use those 2's for the bases, they'll be the same. So let's rewrite this problem. 2 to the 5th is 32. So 2 to the 5th is 32. I need to times that by the exponent that's already up there, which is x plus 3. On the other side, I know 2 to the 4th is 16, and I need to times that by the exponent that's already up there. Now when you look, you've got a base equal to a base. That's a good thing. If the bases are the same, then the exponents have to be the same, so we can set them equal to each other. And now we just solve the equation for x. And this will be a good review for you of solving equations. Remember, your equation has two sides which are separated by the equal sign. So let's do that. Then we need to distribute this 5 throughout the parentheses. It's positive. A positive times a positive is a positive. So I took the 5 times the x. Now I got to take the 5 times the 3. A positive times a positive is a positive. 5 times 3 is 15. We need to do the same thing on the other side. We got to distribute this 4 throughout the parentheses. A positive 4 times a positive x is a positive 4x. A positive times a negative is a negative. 8 times 4 is 32. 32. Now, we want to get our x's together. We're solving for x. We want to get our x's together on the same side. It doesn't matter if you move the x's first or the constants. I like to move the x's first, but it won't make a difference. So I got this positive 4x here. I want to get rid of it. I'm going to neutralize it by making it a negative 4x. But whatever I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other. So I need to subtract 4x from the other side. We got to stay balanced. Okay, when I do that, 5x's take away 4x's leaves me with 1x. And then we got to bring down the positive 15. You see how I circle the sign in front of it? Because I don't want to forget about that sign, that positive. On the left side, 4x take away 4x is gone. And I need to bring down this negative 32. Again, I circle the sign in front of it so I don't forget about it. So now we got x plus 5, or 15, equals negative 32. I don't want x plus 15, I want x. So we need to get rid of that 15. Let's neutralize it. It's positive 15, so we're going to add a negative 15 to it. Whatever we do to one side, we got to do to the other. We got to stay balanced. All right, when I do that, I can bring down my x. 15 and negative 15 is 0. Bring down my equal sign. 32 negatives and 15 more negatives gives me 47 negatives. And that's my answer. A. Have a good day.